a massive asteroid capable of unleashing devastation 500 times greater than the Hiroshima atomic bomb, is still on a potential collision course, not with Earth, but with the Moon. New observations from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, confirm that the asteroid 2024 YR4 is larger than previously thought and has a 4% chance of striking the Moon in 2032. Discovered in December 2023-2024, YR4 initially sent shockwaves through the global astronomical community, when early calculations suggested a 3.1% chance of hitting Earth, the highest ever recorded for an asteroid of its size. However, further analysis ruled out an Earth impact, easing fears of a catastrophic event. But the danger hasn't completely passed. The latest JWST infrared measurements reveal the asteroid is actually 60 meters, 200 feet, wide, equivalent to a 15-story building, much larger than the initial ground-based estimate of 40 meters. If an object this size struck Earth, it could flatten an entire city. Now, scientists warn that the Moon remains a target, with a 4% probability of impact on December 22, 2032. Due to the high initial risk, NASA made an emergency decision to allocate JWST observation time to study the asteroid. Traditional telescopes could only estimate its size based on reflected light, leaving uncertainties about its true dimensions and composition. On March 26, 2024, JWST tracked the asteroid for 5 hours using its mid-infrared instrument to measure heat emissions. The data confirmed its 60-meter diameter and revealed it spins once every 20 minutes, an unusually fast rotation that affects its thermal properties. We found that the thermal behavior of 2024 YR4 doesn't match larger asteroids, said Dr. Andy Rivkin, principal investigator of the JWST observation program. Its surface likely lacks fine dust and is instead covered in fist-sized or larger rocks. This is crucial for understanding how such asteroids behave. While an impact would pose no direct threat to Earth, it would be a historic scientific opportunity. Scientists have never before tracked a known asteroid colliding with the Moon in real time. The explosion would create a fresh crater, offering insights into past lunar impacts. The event could improve future planetary defense strategies against larger Earth-bound asteroids. Though 2024 YR4 won't hit Earth, its close approach highlights the need for better asteroid tracking. More sensitive detection programs will find more potential impactors in the coming years, Dr. Rivkin warned. Learning how to use JWST for rapid asteroid assessment is critical for planetary defense. For now, Earth is safe, but the Moon may face a cosmic bombardment in 2032. If the 4% chance materializes, it will be a groundbreaking moment for astronomy. And if not, the data gathered will still be invaluable for protecting our planet from future threats. Do you want more cosmic updates? Like and subscribe for the latest space news.